recording again. All right, so let's go for that one. Yep. So let me snip it into the drawing. Let's go for it. Okay, challengers. Let's go for it. All right. Let me go to new share and go to AutoCAD share. All right. Control V. Drop it in the drawing. Right there. All right. Are we up to this challenge, guys? Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, this is a nice one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna record this one. All right.
That's but that's literally copying.
Oh, oh, it's
That's
already
copy.
being recorded. All right. So the first thing I want to do here is to I'm gonna start to the side here. I'm gonna draw this circle right here. This circle has a diameter of 60. So for that I'm gonna go circle. See if a circle. Enter. I left click. Oh, change my construction layer first. Now left click here. Drag diameter R30. Enter. This part is done. This part here is done. Yeah. The part here is done. Now there's a keyway which is 8x4. Are you seeing this? This keyway here,
Yes, sir.
8x4. So how can we draw that? How would you draw that?
You could
REC. How do we
make
draw that? Rectangle.
8 by 4
That's
8
right.
comma 4. Enter.
and
Yeah. And we
then move
move it. Yeah. Left click.
and top
M4.
quadrant.
Enter. And we drop it here, right? Top quadrant. All right. All right. So I'm gonna move this one a little bit more. I just drag this one a little bit until I cut into it. All right. Then we trim out this part, right? PR, enter, enter. Left click, drag, yeah. Trim, trim. Yeah, that part is done, yeah? All right. Look at this now. We have a center line here. You see this part here? This part here? This part here?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm gonna draw a circle. Let me see, the diameter for this is how much. The diameter for this circle is how much. I'm trying to the diameter for this circle, this one right here. That one
I would say
is,
I would say
reduce
80.
um
it says R5 whole 8 on PCD 90. So this is, it's a 90 diameter, 90. So
so
we have radius of 5, 8 holes. So we have a radius here. A radius here. So the radius here is 5. Radius here is 5.
Also,
8
sir, the radius
8
of the 8 holes is
holes,
5.
yeah. So 90. So draw a circle, 90. So C for circle, enter.
sir,
Yeah.
could
Um,
you have set the circle like
yeah.
15
Hold
15?
on for a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Hello? 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 Hold on for a sec, guys. Hello? Hello, Miss Naomi? I haven't noticed. No. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes, I'm in a class now, right? So I'll, yeah, in the morning or so. All right. Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. I'll bring it to you in the morning or so. All right. Okay. Good. Yeah. Thank you. All right, sorry about that, guys. So no, I realize that the center for this is not coming up. So I'm gonna use object snap tracking to get that. And the center for this should be how much should this be? Oh, the diameter is,
90, sir.
if the diameter is 90, then the radius is what, 45?
Yes, sir.
45, enter. So we have that. Right? This probably should have been construction line, should have been hidden detail line. Let me see if we have that center line. Alright, good. Change to that. Alright, so we have this. Now we have we have 8. So we're gonna divide this into 8 equal parts. So we left click here. How do I divide it into 8 equal parts? No, tell me what to do, guys. One, tell me what to do. So I left click on this object to be divided. Enter. Number of segments 8. Enter. Look at this. I just divided this line, but I'm not seeing anything at all. What's the
So you
problem?
have to change the shape.
P type, yeah. P, E, Y, P, E, enter. Alright, so currently it is at a dot, but we don't want any dot. So we choose this, and I'm gonna set this absolute. Set this, click this one, then OK. Yep, we have that now. So we have this here. Oh, no, no. So these are our nodes. We now need to add our radius of 5 for the circle. Yeah. Oh, yes. What I should have done? I should have. All right. Let me undo that. Let me not use divide. Let me use another command called
Yes, sir.
use array. Need use array. Array. All right. So I'm gonna draw one more circle equivalent to the big.
Daddy,
No. Yeah. Yes, Chrissy.
couldn't you have like selected like select similar then just change the radius or something
Yeah,
instead of it?
but no, those are point style. They're not really circles.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
gonna use in a case like this, what we're supposed to use is ray is really is polar array. So I'm gonna start by drawing one circle. C for circle, enter. Then I left click on this node. Then I type 5 radius, enter. My first circle. Now I'm gonna use array. So it's ARRAY, enter. Say, and I left click this object to array, then enter. It says one polar array. Polar is one that we use when we want the circle to form around here. Specify the center. I want here to be here. Center is here. Why is center not popping up? Let me use object snap tracking to get that. Center is there. All right. So we have 6 of these, right? But guess what? How many do we want?
8.
We want 8. So we go up here. We go all the way up here and change from 6 to 8. 8, enter. Yeah. And we now have 8 of them. See? We now have 8 of them. Right? Now, this is done. That is done. We now need to draw this one around here. Yeah. This diameter is now 120. Yeah. This diameter is
Yes.
120. So we go for C for circle, enter, and we Let me check it to see if center is activated. So I go snap OSNAP, enter. Hmm. Oh, geometric center. Turn on geometric center. Alright. Now I go C for circle, enter. It's still not coming up. It's still not coming up. So I'm using object stamp tracking to get that. Alright, I'm gonna draw the largest radius possible, which is let me see.
1,000.
Uh no, I'm looking at the drawing to see what the largest radius is. Um alright, this one
300, sir.
is 200.
Yes, sir.
IRC
But
is
not for the teeth, not for the teeth one,
oh
sir.
oh for oh
The biggest
200.
circle
Oh
itself
yes.
is 300. Yes, sir.
200, yes. I'm trying to see if there's anyone larger than 300 there. That's 300. Uh, alright, that's 300. Alright, let me draw the 300 one. So that's 150, enter for that. Right? So this 300 one this is a 300, right? This one right here. Yeah? So this 300. I think one is missing, but I don't know. I think it might be on the other drawing, which is not so visible. All right.
So what about circle surrounding or
All
eight
right.
circle line?
Eight circle.
Yes,
This
sir.
one.
The 120. Yes, sir. That one.
120. The
Yes.
where is one? Oh, 120. Yeah, I think we yes, I'm about to draw that one now. So what I want is to establish a center. So I'm going up to annotate, and I'm clicking this, and I'm clicking here to get that center mark. Yeah. So now I have the center. Left click on that, go back to home, and click on my center. Yeah, my center is now there. Now I'm gonna go to has anyone noticed anything? Has anyone noticed that hey, we are not being cut off again, right? We can go for long now. Right?
Yes, sir. I remember you saying it last time.
Yeah. Alright. So now I'm gonna draw this one right here, which is 120. So C enter, left click here. Half of 120 is 60, right? 60 enter. That is done. This is done. Now this has a radius of 75. So space bar to activate radius, center, 75, enter. So this is now drawn. This one is now drawn there. Now this, and that is 60. Alright, so I'm gonna draw this, cut out this part of this now. Um, alright, so let me see what we have here now. We have this, we have that. Alright, so we have 4 radius of that. We have this, which is that. We have this radius is 130. The top radius. So this radius is that. This top radius here is 30. So I'm gonna 130. You get me guys? This radius right here, this one right here.
Yes, sir.
So this one is 130. So R enter. Oh, C enter. Click here. 1 30 slash 2 and no, undo. So that is, oh, the radius is 130. R, oh, what am I doing? C, enter, 130, 130, enter. All right, so these two lines now will be used to form this, right? Now look at this. This line here, between these two is 30, right? Between these two is 30, yeah? And between here to here is 60 degrees, right? So if we're to start measuring from this point right here, from east, and we go up, so this would have been 90, 90. All right, perhaps we could draw a line here, and 90 subtract 15 is how much? 90 subtract
75,
25,
55, 6
70,
or 75, 75.
75,
Okay,
75.
so alpha line, enter. We start here, go out, tab, 75, enter, and we get the first one. Yeah. So now I'm going to mirror this onto the other side. No, for this one, no. If from here, if from here, from here, from if from we could draw a line from here to here. We could do this two ways. We could draw a line if from here to here is 15, right? 15 from here to here is 15 plus 60 is how much? 75. It
no,
it uh so we're breaking this up in half. Here is 15 plus 15 give 30, and here is so from all right. Well, from here, from this point, from this point to let me try to cut off this. From this point to this point, that color is not so hot. Let me probably use red. Is that so? From here to here is 60 plus 15 is 75. It means therefore this little piece right here, so right here is 15. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
capiche? Capiche? All right. So I'm gonna draw a line from here at an angle of 15 degrees. Yeah. So we go to line L, enter, starting here, out, tab, 1, 5, enter, enter. So this is now it. Yeah, that is now it. So I could use fillet, could use fillet now to fix this up. So you see the space right here, this right here is this piece right here. You get me? Capiche?
Yes, sir.
We are doing big drawing now, big engineering drawing. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna use fillet now. So this fillet radius is, what did they say? Oh, let this fillet radius be 10. So we're gonna start here. F, enter, fillet. Radius. Let this radius be 10. Enter. And I touch here, touch there. That is done. Space bar, touch here, touch there. That is done. Yeah. So lower part is done. So this part is done. We now want to fillet this part in now. That radius is how much? Oh,
25.
see, 25. Yeah. So we space bar for fillet. Now we need to go down and change the radius. The radius is now 25. Enter. Then we touch here, touch there. Space bar to reactivate. Touch here, touch there. So what's going on? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
You see what's going on? Alright, good.
So would you just mirror it to the other side?
Exactly. Yep. So what I'm gonna do, just mirror it. So I'm gonna throw off a little piece, throw off the excess around here. Enter, enter. Throw off that, mirror that part. And I can delete this now. And mirror, MI, enter. Select all of this. Guess what? I could use boundary to let this come out as a solid. So I type BOUNDRY, enter. Click, pick that. Click inside here, enter. And this is now one solid object. See? Hmm. Look like that. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, guys? Is there a glitch on the screen? Guys,
So
are you?
repeat.
Is there a glitch on the screen? Is there a glitch? Are you seeing?
No,
Okay. Is the screen clear now? Were you seeing a little
sir.
box a while ago? No? Alright.
After me, sign of a solid.
Okay, alright. MI from mirror, enter. Left click here for mirror, enter. To specify the base point, the mirror line, we're gonna use this as our mirror line. Alright. So this is one mirror point, second mirror point, enter. That is now done. Yeah? That part is now done. Alright. How are we getting on, guys? We are doing great, right? Yeah. No. Um, we want to draw these circles. Yeah. And this is at a radius of R15 whole 7 and R115 and in 120 degrees. Alright? Do you get what this is saying? So
Yes, sir.
the radius of
Yes, sir.
the radius of the circle here is 15. We have 7 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, and the radius that the holes are formed on this is 115, and the span from here to here is 120. So this occupies a space of 120. Yeah? Alright. So let us get our center first. So this red radius is 120. So we're gonna draw a circle. See, enter. Left click
150.
here. 150.
Daddy,
Yeah. Yeah.
can't you just make a line 30 degrees from right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that, but I still need to establish a center for it. And then use, yeah, we have to do that. Yeah, we have to do that as well. So 115, enter. And now I'm going to draw a line. We're gonna all right. Now look at this. If from here to here is what? Is 120? 120? Yeah? Not true?
Yes, sir.
It means that from here to here is 60, right? So the next quarter of this is at 30.
Yes, sir.
Oh, see it here? See, they gave it to us, 30. They gave it to us, see it right here? 30. So I'm gonna draw, this could be done. I'm gonna draw a line down 30 and then rotate it by, or I could mirror it, draw a line around and mirror it. So line L, enter. In this case, I'm gonna use minus 30, yeah? Because this is minus 30 minus tab minus 30, enter. Alright, come out as plus. I don't want plus, I want minus 30. L, enter. Question. What other angle could I make this instead of minus 30? Minus 30 is the same as what?
60.
Is the same as 300 and how much? 300 and
30.
330, yeah. So tab 330. Hold on there. Let me start this again. Delete. L, enter. Start here. Tab 330. Why this is acting up? Okay, let me just mirror it. MI for mirror, enter. Left click here, enter. Sometimes the software act up like that, alright? So look out for that. Alright. So this is now 60 from here. Now we can mirror this on the other side over here. MI for mirror, enter. Touch this, enter, enter. Yeah. Now I can trim. So we now have the space. We now have the space that we're gonna use to get our 120. So here to here is 120. Alright. Trim. TR, enter. I'm gonna enter one more time. Click that off. Click that off. Click that. Click that. And we can now delete that. Delete that. And we can also delete that. Yeah. So we now have this. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how could we get 7 of these on that space?
Divide.
So
Divide.
divide.
Yeah, divide. Enter. Then left click this. Enter. Number of segments 7. I'm not seeing. Shouldn't I be seeing something? Hold on there. Let me go again. DIV. Enter. Left click here. Enter. Number of segments 7. Enter. This command is acting up real good. Let me stop this video.